In this section, we are going to talk about Python functions. So let's see what is the function is all about and how it is working in Python. So to illustrate the overall what is the function is all about, I will give you a scenario. Let's imagine you have a task and you are starting making a program and you have a couple lines of codes in your program. By saying couple, it's couple hundred maybe. So let's imagine you have a code, so you started writing all your codes. So that is the page one, and you have rest of them over here. And after that, you realize that some of the block of the codes, some lines of the codes are getting repeated. So let's imagine we have this line of codes, and it also same as that one, and it also was repeated over here. So you see, in one pack, it looks like I have a 4 or 5 lines of codes, and they are being repeated 3 times here. And instead of them typing them one more time, let's imagine I need them here again. So instead of type them all of them one more time, what I can do is I will say that, hey, I want to group these my codes, and I will give a name to that. So let me call it, the name of this group is going to be A. And later on, if I need this code again, I will just type my A, and it is going to execute those lines for me. So shortly, overall, what is the function is? The function, it is a block of codes. It can be one line code, 2 line code, even 10, 20. So doesn't matter how many lines of code we have in that package, and we can give a name to this package. And later on, whenever we need this package, we just call the name of the package, and it is going to make a copy paste for me. It's not actually making copy paste, it's just calling that function, and it is executing, running for me. So that is all about function. So what about what kind of name I can give to the functions, or what is the proper way to give the functions? Actually, there is no any limitation, so you can give any name to that one. So for instance, I said A over here, you can say ABC, or you can give a different numbers, but it should be one word. So for example, if you want to say 2 words and you need to give something in between, and for instance you can say hello, and underscore there. So that is going to be a name of my function. You can name it, but it must be as a one word. And in order to define it, in order to make a pack, so here we are using the def syntax in Python. So let me just go to the Google Colab and let's see how it looks like. So whenever I type def, you see, so let me just zoom in so we can see clearly what is going on. So def, it's a syntax in the Python. Even the color is being changed now. So right now I'm defining my package now. So for example, I will say hello, and that is going to be my new function, or I can say that is going to be my new package now. You see, so let's analyze what is going on. So right now I'm defining, and that is the name of the package. That is the name of the block of codes that I want to run later on. And right now I'm just leaving the parentheses blank, but we are going to talk a little bit deep inside. So what I can write inside the parentheses. So right now it's blank, nothing inside. So I will say that, hey, if I call my function say hello later on, not now, I will say print, let me just say hello there. You see? So let me just run it. I was trying to execute it. I just run it. Nothing happened. It didn't give me error, and it also didn't print me anything. Why it is so? Right now, I just defined my function. I just create my package now, and my package is ready to be used anytime I want. And let's imagine here I have a couple different lines of codes and so on and so on and so on. And right now I need this code. So instead of going one by one, instead of typing print hello there, what I can say that, hey, I will just call my function, say hello, open and close the parentheses, you see? So it is going up and it's trying to understand what is the say hello package is, and it is going to execute for me. So that is easier. So you see right now my print is under my define function. So if I put on that way, it is not going to work because it must be under the function. It must be inside my package. So right now I have only one line of code. What if I will increase my lines? And of course it's possible. I will just give the video a simple one, and later on whenever we are going to different exercises, you will see what we can do with the packages or what we can do with the functions. So in the first line, I'm just saying hello there. Now I will say, let me just give the hello, how are you today? And let me just give one more. I will say print, this is cool. You see? So right now I have a pack of three lines of codes, and the name of my package is say hello. And later on, let me just run it. That means I define that. So I just create a new one. So right now, if I need this code again, I will just call my function hello, say hello. You see, that is the name of my function. It's over here. I just need to call the name of the function. So if I run it, it is going to execute everything what we have in that package.